Welcome to our 10-step guide to money-making ideas in the UK, starting with freelance work. Freelance work can be lucrative, from graphic design to copywriting. Second, you could look into starting a side business, be it baking or dog walking, and don't underestimate the market for niche products. Third in our list is selling your own products or services online, such as handmade jewelry or bespoke furniture. Next, consider renting out unused space such as a room or garage through sites like Airbnb or Just Park. Or go old school and sell items at boot sales or through classified ads. If you have skills in DIY or trades, try offering handyman services. Pet sitting or simply dog walking for those without the time can also be profitable. You can also become a tutor for something you're skilled at. Finally, use the internet to freelance remotely for international companies seeking English-speaking workers. With these suggestions, you're well on your way to making extra money in the UK.